Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide that you read a message on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To hide your read status on Snapchat, follow these simple steps. 1. Enable airplane mode on your device to disconnect from the internet and prevent the message from being marked as seen. 2. Open the Snapchat app and read the message you received while in airplane mode. This allows you to view the message without triggering the read status notification. 3. Close the Snapchat app completely and remove it from your recent apps list to ensure that the app doesn't send any read receipts once connectivity is restored. 4. Disable airplane mode to restore your device's connectivity and ensure that your read status remains hidden. By following these steps, you can effectively hide that you read a message on Snapchat using your device. Maintain your privacy and control over your message read status within the app. With these updated features, managing your read status on Snapchat has been made more convenient and discreet. Thank you for watching, and enjoy keeping your message interactions private and under your control on Snapchat.